Amazon best-selling CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. The product buying link in this video description. Guaranteed to last as long as you own your vehicle. You read it right. We're so confident in our ceramic coating that we'll stand behind our limited lifetime warranty that it will last as long as you own your vehicle, or we'll cover the next kit for free. Our chemists developed this kit in-house at CERAKOTE HQ. We aren't rebottling another company's product. This is a ceramic coating that chemically bonds to your headlights and provides UV protection for as long as you loan your vehicle. No power tools required, everything is included in your kit. There are no tools required that could potentially damage your headlights or paint. There's nothing worse than having to call your crazy uncle you haven't seen since the holidays because he's got the power tools you need. After he hollers "stand clear," fires up his wheezing disc sander and runs it off of your headlight and across the paint on your hood. It's too late. Don't buy a kit that requires tools. Restores and protects from UV. This isn't a classic bait and switch you're used to. We won't sell you something that needs to be purchased again in a few months. Our ceramic coating provides a layer of UV protection that is guaranteed to stand the test of time. We believe in providing our customers with the best products on earth for the first time. After all, we're the chemists that have been providing world-class ceramic coatings to endless industries for decades. It's what we do. 3 easy steps. CERAKOTE's Headlight Restoration Kit is a simple, 30-minute process. Step 1. You'll be mesmerized by our oxidation remover as you wipe away the hazy surface oxidation. Step 2. Use our ergonomic surface prep pad to remove the deep oxidation and prep your headlight for the ceramic clear coating. Step 3. CERAKOTE's pre-moistened ceramic headlight restoration wipes restore your headlights to a like-new condition that is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. Start to finish. We are the creators, we are chemists. To the core. We invent things and make them right here at our headquarters in beautiful Southern Oregon. Every part of this headlight restoration kit was done at our campus. From formula development to production, packaging design, all the way to shipping. We've been restoring and protecting products all over the world for decades with our ceramic coatings, and we're proud to put our name on this revolutionary kit.